To scan a check on the Wells Fargo app, start by opening the app and signing in to your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. Once you are logged in, navigate to the deposit option, which is usually found on the main dashboard or under the account summary section. Select the account where you want to deposit the check, such as your checking or savings account. Choose the deposit from check option and read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Take a clear photograph of the check using the app's camera feature, following the on-screen instructions to properly align the check and ensure it is well lit. The app will prompt you to take pictures of the front and back of the check, so make sure to sign the back of the check and include any required endorsements. After taking the photos, review the check amount and other details to ensure everything is correct. Enter the check amount and select the account to deposit the funds into. Review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate, including the check amount, account number, and deposit date. Submit the deposit and wait for the confirmation that the deposit has been successfully submitted. You will receive an email confirmation once the deposit is processed and the funds are available in your account. It is essential to keep the original check for a certain period, usually 5 to 7 days, in case there are any issues with the deposit. After this period, you can safely void and destroy the check. By following these steps, you can easily scan a check using the Wells Fargo app and deposit the funds into your account. Remember to always keep your app and device secure to protect your account information.